Hey guys, we're in the port of Tangier, Morocco.
We had a really awesome weekend. I can't even tell you all the things we did. We rode camels on the beach.
Traditional Moroccan food.
We had tea in a tea room with a lot of mint in it.
We got to see a Hercules grotto, which is really cool.
We drove by the summer home of the King of Saudi Arabia and the Prince of Kuwait. Who does that?
We do.
Yeah. We got some fake Ray-Bans.
Yeah.
We haggled for so many cool things.
So many things.
Yeah. My Ryanair bag is just so full.
Sorry, I'm that guy. Takes pictures of everything.
Oh, giant ocean, camel, you deep people.
Exotic.
We did some. We walked around. Trying to figure out what we did in Africa today. Crazy.
Just so many things. Journaling anxiety. It's a problem.
It's a first world problem.
It's a Rome program problem.
But we're not in a first world country right now.
No.
You can't drink the tap water here and be safe.
Nope.
I think that might be a lie.